Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Do you forget the words or the phrases that you learn in English? This video is related to that topic. Recently, I received 2 to 3 emails about this topic. In that, they were talking about the issue they face, and that is forgetting the words that they learn. They told me that they are learning new words and new phrases, but they cannot remember it. They forget it easily. Now imagine if you could remember all those words and phrases effortlessly for life. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a technique that can help you remember these words easily in English and you won't forget it. And that technique is known as spaced repetition. It's a scientifically proven method that helps you lock new English vocabulary into your memory. In this video, we will cover what spaced repetition is, how it works, and how can you apply it to improve your English. By the end of this video, you will have a powerful tool to remember what you learn and make real progress in your English learning journey. Let's first see what is spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a learning method that reviews information at gradually increasing intervals. Like you won't be repeating the same topics, the same thing again and again, day after day. You will be reviewing these topics in a spread out manner. Like you will be reviewing it over days or weeks or even months. You won't be repeating the same thing like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You won't be reviewing it like that. You will be learning it like in some days and in particular weeks and in particular months. This is divided in such a manner that we forget what we learn easily if we don't review it. So considering all those points, this technique is being made. This method is designed in such a manner that you won't forget the new things that you learn. For example, let's say you learn a new word, serendipity, which means finding something good without looking for it. You learned this new word today. According to the spaced repetition, you will be reviewing this word tomorrow, then again after 3 days, and then after a week, and so on. Each review will help you remember these words. Means it will make it less likely for you to forget it. Now let's see how to use spaced repetition to learn English. You should begin with a manageable amount of maybe 10 to 20 words. Don't overwhelm yourself and learn or take a lot of words to learn together. Make it small. You should be consistent, but choose something that is little for you, that is small and manageable, that you can manage and you can learn. The second thing is to use flashcards. Whatever words you are going to learn, write it on flashcards. You can physically make a flashcard or you can use the help of any apps. On one side of the flashcard, write the new word that you are going to learn, and on the other side, write its meaning and also an example sentence. The third thing is to set review intervals. Once your flashcards is ready, now you need to set review times. You need to set a timer for when you need to review these words. So how you should do is, today you learned a new word and that is day 1. Then you should review it on day 2. Then day 5, day 12, day 26, and so on. Adjust these days on the basis of how well you remember the words. Sometimes it might be a very easy word and you don't require this many repetition, this many reviews. So adjust it according to that. If you need more time, like you will forget that word easily, you can review on more days. So the example schedule is like day 1, new word. Day 2, first review. Day 5, second review. Day 12, third review. Day 26, the fourth review. Focusing on vocabulary. Let's dive into how to apply spaced repetition to the vocabulary. For example, if you are learning adjectives, you are learning a word meticulous. you can add other words like candid, vibrant, oblivious, etc. with this word. You know how you should use it? I'll tell you. First day you are learning the word meticulous. Second day, review the other word candid along with the word meticulous. You know, reviewing in an order. So like that, by the end of the week you are reviewing, you are consistently reviewing or revising these words without overwhelming or without any burden for yourself. So if you try reviewing the words in an order, like according to themes, animals, plants, or nature, weather, if you are learning it like that in a theme, it will be very easy for you to remember. Also, you can use this for grammar, not only for vocabulary, even grammar can be achieved with this spaced repetition. You know how? Same like vocabulary, make flashcards for grammar. Write the type of grammar like present continuous tense on the flashcard and write its explanation, because it might be a little bit tricky for you if you don't have those explanation in there. And also write the sentence, any example sentence for present continuous tense, and review it same like the vocabulary. Also, make this spaced repetition a part of your daily routine. You know, you should add this into your daily routine. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes a day for this spaced repetition. You know what? Short, consistent practice is more effective than long, infrequent practice. So always remember this. Just practice the spaced repetition for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day. And I'm not asking you to practice it for 2 hours, once in a month, once in a year. It's better to practice it daily, but for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is how you should use spaced repetition to learn English. This spaced repetition has helped many language learners achieve their language fluency. This can help you learn words and concepts more easily. It will be there in your memory for a very long time. This is an efficient learning because you are spending less time on what you already know. Instead of spending long hours repeating or revising the same thing, what you know, you are spending less time for reviewing and revising, and you are revising it in an efficient way that it will stay in your memory for very long time. Also, when you remember more words by this technique, when you remember more concept by this technique, English learning will be very easy for you and you will gain that confidence to speak in English. Now, how do you feel? What do you think about this method, spaced repetition? It's a simple method, but with this simple method, by just spending little time a day, you are acquiring or you are going to achieve your biggest dream, speak English fluently. With a little technique, you are boosting your confidence and you are going to speak English very easily. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was useful for all of you. Don't forget to comment down your opinion about the spaced repetition. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.